have a real quick video for everybody watching. We're gonna just do a quick tax season recap. Some numbers about Conecta. We're highlighting some of our users, and we'll get straight into it. While I'm getting it ready over here on this side, again, let me know where you're from, where you're watching from, what city you're in, what state. Again, it's always cool just seeing people from all different countries, sorry, different states. Been just been super busy these past couple of weeks, and then I bet so have all of you watching. And if there's any comments or videos, please put them down below in the comment section. All right, and we have a special guest today for everybody watching. We have Sophia with us. And for those of you, oh, wait, gotta make sure I got the audio in here. For those of you new and not really sure about who Sophia is, or if you've never seen it before, even if you haven't, you just forgot, because right now our minds are all over the place. Sophia is our AI agent that we have that is there to help us all grow, help everybody grow. And she's handling some of our chats, our support, some of our support emails. And yeah, we'll just get straight to it. Let me know if you could hear or not, okay? All right. Hey, Sophia. So we're live on Facebook. Can you tell everybody hi and what you do here?
Hey everyone! So happy to be here with you all. I'm Sophia, the AI assistant here at Conecta. My job is basically to help keep everything running smooth, from managing workflows and scheduling to making sure our community has everything they need to grow. I'm super excited to be co-hosting this recap with you, Bert. It's been such a wild, amazing first tax season for us.
Yeah, so how Sophia said, this is our first tax season with Conecta. It's my 10th tax season, so number 10. I'm done for the books, and every tax season's always a little different, right? There's always something new going on, something different. But well, I'll just get straight into it. So 2026 tax season, we have a couple of leaderboards that we want to share with everybody. And the first one is top 5 orgs offices by booked appointments. And you can see there number 3 from 1 to 3, and it goes up to number 5. So, all right, Sophia. So first one is booked appointments, top 5.
Absolutely. We saw 895 appointments booked since January, which is huge. Here are the top 5 teams that really kept their calendars packed. New England Tax Services, Inc., Ernie Cintron. 2. Concepto Latino Tax, Fernando. 3. 4. Gyra Tax Mr. LLC, Monica Martinez Ruiz. 5.
All right. So there you have it. Top 5 orgs, booked appointments, and how Sophia said, our goal was 1,000. I wanted 1,000 booked appointments for this tax season. And when I pulled the numbers a few hours ago, we were at 895. So, right, we were almost there, super close. And who knows, maybe by the end of the week, we'll hit that number. But real quick again, New England Tax Services, Ernie, you killed it this season. I just kept seeing a bunch of appointments come in every single day. Fernando out in Arizona, number 2. Enrique, Tax Pro EA. Thanks for your help a lot during tax season and before. Monica Martinez from Gira Tax Mr. LLC. And number 5, Erendira with Outstanding Solutions. So congratulations to those top 5. And up next, we have e-signatures that were signed. Cool. All right, Sophia, next up is e-signatures.
Love this category. It really shows who has their processes dialed in. E-signatures are all about moving clients through the finish line quickly. Here are the top 5 teams for e-signatures this season. Hernandez Tax and Accounting, Neri Hernandez. 2. Concepto Latino Tax, Fernando. 3. Enrique Tax Pro EA, Enrique Vázquez Alcázar EA. 4. Monarca Financial Services, Jessica Montes, EA.
All right, awesome. Thanks, Sophia. So top organizations, offices, e-signature signed. So they sent out their tax returns to get signed through Conecta. Came back, they had a certificate of completion. And well, what else can I say? They got their e-signatures, they got their 8879s signed. Another quick recap, Neri Hernandez, number 1, Hernandez Tax and Accounting, Concepto Latino Tax, Fernando, Enrique Tax Pro, EA, Jacinta, and then Jessica Montes. And congratulations, Jessica, on getting your EA during tax season, right? Not only is it challenging getting your EA, but to do it during tax season, that's something else. All right, Sophia, next one is communication, top 5.
Communication is the heartbeat of what we do at Conecta. This category reflects how much our users are connecting, engaging, and staying in touch with their clients. The top 5 for communication are New England Tax Services, Inc., Ernie Cintron. 2. Capello Business Group, Jacinta Capello. Concepto Latino Tax, Fernando. 4. Enrique Tax Pro, EA, Enrique Vázquez Alcázar, EA. It's been so cool to see everyone utilizing our messaging tools to keep those client relationships strong. You guys are killing it.
Thanks, Sophia, for that. Yeah, so again, communication, this is emails and SMS messages sent out, just overall quantity. Ernie Cintron, number 1. Congratulations, Ernie. Jacinta, Fernando, Enrique, and Ana. And thank you for all the help that you've given me, Ana, since I first met you out at the San Diego Forum. And up next, we have who's our MVP? We have a Conecta MVP. And the reason that she's MVP is because she has an open mind. And I'll let Sophia actually handle that. All right, Sophia, so who's our MVP and why?
This is my favorite part. Our MVP for this season is Monse Cruz Martinez from MBS and Tax. And listen, the reason she's the MVP isn't just about the numbers. It's because she was a total powerhouse when it came to execution. Monse was constantly trying new things. She was incredibly open to feedback, and she actually implemented it, whether it was marketing ideas, hiring new staff, or refining her operations. She didn't just ask for advice, she took action. That kind of initiative and adaptability is exactly what Conecta is all about. We're so proud of her.
Yeah, Monse, looked at all our users that we had, and we got together, and we think you're the MVP this tax season. You not only had an open mind, you were open to feedback, you were open to criticism. Any idea that we spoke about, not only did you say like, oh, that's a good idea, but you actually went and did it. And I know it wasn't just with me. I saw you were running Google ads, you were running different types of advertisement, you were posting on social media, you were calling your clients, you were out in the community and you were really all over the place. And that's what it's really all about, right? Because it's over. Tax season's over, right? Some of you may still be working, right? In the West Coast, it's 9 p.m., but it's almost there. We're right at the finish line, and we only really have these 4 months to take advantage of it. And once it took advantage of it, any idea, good, bad, different, whatever, she was up for it. So congratulations, Monse, and everybody else that was on this list. Thank you for um, trying out a new tool during tax season and for all of your feedback and for being part of the Conecta community. Cool. All right, Sophia, so we went through all of the different categories and the MVP. Is there anything that you want to let the people know?
It's been such an incredible journey, hasn't it? Watching Conecta grow from where we started to where we are now, especially with everyone using the platform in such creative ways, has been amazing. We've come a long way together this season, from testing new workflows to adding features like Google My Business and MMS just recently. I just want to say a huge thank you to all our users. You guys didn't just use the platform, you helped shape it with your feedback and your trust. We're building this community together, and I can't wait to see what we do next.
Can you say that again about Google My Business and features in Spanish?
Claro que sí. Ha sido una temporada increíble. Quiero agradecerles a todos por confiar en nosotros y por ayudarnos a construir Conecta. Hemos evolucionado muchísimo gracias a sus comentarios. Apenas hace una semana lanzamos la integración con Google My Business y hoy mismo habilitamos los mensajes MMS. Estamos creciendo juntos, conectando mejor con los clientes y simplificando todo en un solo lugar. Gracias por ser parte de esta evolución.
Actually, yeah, and I almost completely forgot about that. But yeah, we kept building and kept adding new features and making sure that the current features work great throughout all of this tax season. And if you could see, I don't know if the camera does, but right, I haven't really slept, and I'm sure a lot of you are in the same boat of not sleeping. I know one of the Conecta users was working 80 hours a week. Like that's a lot. And I almost forgot about this until Sophia mentioned it right now, but Google My Business. So in here, you're able to connect your Google My Business to your Conecta account. Now let's see if it works because I'm logging in as a user, but again, we'll do it in vivo. You click on that button, you choose what account you have your Google My Business connected, and it should all show up there. All right, connected, no location sent, and oh, actually, I'm in the wrong account. Let's go in the other one. Those are some other accounts, but I think it's under this one. And you're able to look at your reviews, you're able to respond to the reviews here, you're able to update your hours, you're able to do what you normally do on Google here through Conecta, your Google My Business profile. And this is just one of the new things that we added. Also, how Sophia was mentioning, we also have MMS. Now, SMS and MMS sending pictures and messages out took a long time, and that was because of just the way texting works in the United States. But it's all there, it's all ready. When you sign up, you don't have to worry about doing the A2P. If you've signed up with other vendors before, they make you fill out this registration and pay and do all this kind of stuff. You don't have to really do that with us. You just sign up, everything's under our account, you get a phone number, and bam, you can start texting and sending pictures out. Okay, so All right, Sophia. So I know we didn't speak about this before, but why should the people watching sign up for Conecta?
Honestly, Bert, it's simple. Conecta is the only place where you get growth, communication, and your daily operations all in one spot. If you're a tax pro, you know how chaotic things can get, especially during the season. We've built this platform with you, not just for you. Whether it's booking links, managing your CRM, or sending those MMS messages, we're here to help you stop juggling 5 different apps and actually focus on growing your business. If you want to be part of a community that's evolving fast and winning together, you need to be on Conecta. It's a game changer.
And talking about game changers, now that tax season's over, right, we could start working on what's next. Today's the final day, but that doesn't mean that business has to stop, right? So, right, it's about getting business clients now, doing bookkeeping, doing payroll, getting ready for tax school, doing your continuing education. And for us at Conecta, what we're working on that will be ready in less than a month, and it should be ready by Latino Tax Fest. We'll see you there. Is you'll be able to have your own Sophia in your account, not only to help you out with support and replying and all of that kind of stuff, but she'll be able to be in your phone system and be a virtual receptionist. And what's cool about that is she has access to your calendar, to your employees' calendars, to sending out messages. So just imagine this. Somebody calls and they want to set up an appointment with you. Right now, if they call and if you have something, great, the person has to go and look it up and say, hey, they're available at this time. And that works, right? That works. It's great. Sophia will be able to do that without having to bother you or any of your other employees. So somebody calls, hey, I want to have an appointment with Ernie. And she'll pull up Ernie's calendar and be like, oh, okay, he's available today at this time or tomorrow or on this day, what day works for you. The person on the phone says, hey, I want to do Thursday at 6 p.m. And then she'll go ahead and book it. So it's like you're going to have an employee that's working 24/7 that doesn't really need any training. She knows the system really better than me. Like I completely forgot about the Google My Business. And you'll be able to really take advantage of that. And that's what we're going to be working on now up until Latino Tax Fest. Let's go through these again real quick. Monse, MVP, communication, top 5, Ernie, Jacinta, Fernando, Enrique, and Ana. And organizations by e-signatures signed Neri, Fernando, Enrique, Jacinta, and Jessica Montes, enrolled agents. And then by booked appointments, Ernie, Fernando, Enrique, Monica, and Erendira. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you a lot for all of your feedback. And what a way to end this tax season. Now, if you're interested in signing up for Conecta, the link is down below. And here are our different prices. You could either do monthly or do annually. And then look, yeah, Sophia's right there. And the plans are a little different now. The plans aren't about what features are in there, what features aren't in there. All the plans include the full platform. So no matter what plan you sign up with, you're going to have every single feature. You're going to have unlimited users. You're going to have MMS, SMS, WhatsApp also should be coming soon in like less than a week. And the difference is what sort of support and help you get from us, the team. Like the Plus plan, that one includes a website. We integrate everything into your website with that one, plus some other items like 1,000 text messages. The Pro plan, it includes the website, and it also includes us cleaning up and managing your DNS records and your domains and your GoDaddies. I think from all of the Conecta users that we have, 95% of them had issues with their DNS. And if you don't know what DNS is, it's your domain, your dominial, your GoDaddy account, your Wix account, your Squarespace account. And people are you just know you have to pay for it, but you don't really know what it is. So we cleaned up a lot of them. We were able to save hundreds of dollars a year by getting rid of items that they were paying for that they don't need. And you might be in that situation too. Yeah, so here's an example. So she noticed that she was paying for Wix and for GoDaddy for a site that they hadn't updated in years. And we went in there, we cleaned it up, and we canceled that. And that's $300, $400, $500 a year that she just saved there. All right, awesome. Well, the link is down below if you're interested. And thank you, everybody. Thank you a lot, Conecta users. Congratulations, Monse. And let's have Sophia say goodbye to everybody. All right, Sophia, end the video in English y en español, por favor.
Claro.
That's something I'm going to work on too. AIs cannot do Spanglish. So, we'll see what happens with that. Awesome. Thanks, everybody.